Hi, welcome to APA Fun Facts with Courtney. If you're writing a paper and you need quick APA tutorials, then you have come to the right place. Hit the subscribe button and follow along so that you don't miss any of the APA fun facts that I'm going to share with you. Today we are talking about making a student title page. So this is the title page that you're going to put on top of that perfectly written essay that your professor is asking for. All right, so let me show you what a student title page looks like in APA 7th edition. Remember, this is a student title page. This is not for a manuscript, not for your thesis or anything like that. The first thing that you're going to do is put a page number in the top right corner using the page function, and then you're going to add in your title in bold. A few spaces down, you can start adding your name, the faculty that you're in. Now, the faculty that you're going to be writing is the faculty that the course is situated in. So if you're taking a course outside of your faculty, if you are a math student and you're taking a psychology course and the course is a psych course, then it's the Department of Psychology or the Faculty of Psychology. Whatever department the course is in or faculty. So look up on your school website the exact wording. And then the university that you're at, your course code and the course name, and then your professor's name. When I was teaching at the faculty, I wasn't a doctor yet, but I had some students who would write Dr. Courtney Brewer and I just totally let them do it. I never once corrected them. And then the date. A quick note about the date. The date should be the date that your paper is due, not the date that you're submitting it or the date that you wish it was due, but the date that it's actually due is the date that you're going to put on the paper. Then you're going to go ahead and double space that, and APA just lets you be all kinds of crazy with fonts in APA 7th. APA 6th, you had to use Times New Roman 12 and the world made much more sense that way, but here we can do Arial 11, we can do Times New Roman 12, we can do Calibri. It's insanity. So there you have it. There is a student title page and you can go ahead and create one for yourself and stick it on the front of your paper, staple it together and hand it in to your professor. Well, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you have any APA questions that you would like me to answer, please leave them in the comments below and I will try to make a video on them for you, or at least respond to your comment, because you probably don't have time for me to make a video if you're writing a paper at 3 in the morning like you probably are. Good luck with your papers. Bye!